Really? We love you, Carla.
Hey guys, welcome back to the best channel here on YouTube, and today I'll be showing you how to turn these knotless braids into these butterfly locks. As you can see, my hair is very grown out, so we're going to be using the rubber band method to make my hair look fresh again. And so my best friend is just going to be applying some pomade. You can use any pomade that you have on my scalp to make it more smoother. And then she placed oil on some black rubber bands, and we're going to just be placing that at the root of each braid. Okay, now that each braid in the back is banded and looks fresh, we're going to wrap each braid with the water wave hair. And as you can see, there are crochet locks attached to the 3 braids in the back. This was because we were trying to use another method, but we decided to change our minds because we thought it was pointless. So here you'll see the locks, but as we go, we won't be attaching the crochet locks anymore. We'll just be wrapping the hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna speed it up, and she's just gonna wrap all the way to the middle because this hair is not long enough to go all the way down, so we're going to be using 2 pieces for each braid. And you can see that it looks really tight, it looks really fresh. And yeah, keep watching to see how we tie up the bottom of each lock. Okay, you can see that we're getting through, and here she's banded the next row, and all these rows look really fresh. Before you could not see how my scalp looked. Now you can see my scalp so clear. All the parts look nice and fresh, nice and clean, and it looks way better than before. I'm just showing the comparison between the banded braid and the unbanded braid. You can see like all my new growth, and then on the right you see how everything looks tight. I've reached the end of the braid, and I literally just tucked the end of the braid up, and I started rewrapping all the way down. You could also tuck it and just start rewrapping up, but I just started rewrapping down because that was working for me at the moment. So here again, I'm just doing the second half of a knotless braid, and this time I left out a curl. And my hair is finally finished, and I really think it came out really well. I love the colors, I love the length. It was very heavy at first, but I'm very used to it now that I've had it for a couple of days. It took about 10 hours for us to do it together, but I really think it was worth it. Let me know in the comments what you think.